Hey guys, Sam here from Ellie Rose Party Designs. I thought I would do a live video for you on how I assemble my chip bags. Now, a lot of people were asking in my Facebook group about how I assemble my chip bags, so I thought I would show you guys, because I had been asked a few times in my Instagram how I make these. So there's a few different ways you can make them, and there's probably no right or wrong way of doing it. I'm just going to show you the way that I'm going to do it, and then you can pick whichever way you want to do it. But I normally use my ATG gun to make my chip bags. And ATG gun, for those of you that don't know what it is, it's like a double-sided tape that roll that's in here, and then all you do is you pretty much just go along the sides and down and in the middle. It's quick and easy that way. That's what I love about that. But unfortunately, I forgot to order some more refills, so I'm now just using a double-sided tape. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have popped some double-sided tape in the middle there. I popped some double-sided tape along the sides and along there and over here. I haven't done the side here, I've only just done the one side. Okay, now double-sided tape, it has its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages is that these chips that I'm adding to it are quite large, and I didn't realize that they are going to be quite big for my template, so they're going to be quite puffed up. So I'll show you what I mean. There's one that I've done already, so that it is quite big. So with double-sided tape, it is a lot more stronger and it holds its shape and it keeps it all together nicely. So that's what I do like about double-sided tape. The downside of it is if you've got 20 of these you have to make, you've got to sit there and peel every single one of them, and also obviously apply it too. So that is a bit time consuming. So it's, double-sided tape is a lot more available for people than ATG gun is. Another option, it could be hot glue gun, but I don't particularly like using hot glue gun when it comes to food. So it's really up to you if that's the way you want to go. I have never used hot glue gun with my chip bag, so it's something that you would need to play around with, because I'm not 100% sure. I know there's maybe a few tutorials on YouTube and that will show you how to do it. Okay, so all I've done is just peeled off my double-sided tape like that, and all I'm going to do is take my chips and I'm going to pop it in the middle. That's why I like to put a little bit of a double-sided tape in the middle, because it sticks it down and doesn't move around as much. Okay, like that there, and squish it down like so. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm making chip bags. These are my chip bags that I'm making, and I'm just showing you guys how I'm making them. Alrighty, and then all I'm going to do is turn the one side like that, take the other side, give it a good squish, and make sure it's all lined up. And I'm going to just pop that side to that side and then give it a bit of a rub down like so. Okay, and then going to find where my middle is, and I'm going to squeeze the ends together like that, and then I'm going to slowly move my way out by pinching to the ends and then pinching to the other end like that. Okay, then I'm going to do the other side, find my middle part, and that's why I say these chips are quite large. I would normally use a smaller bag of chips, so these ones are a bit big. Okay, and squish that down. Squish it in the middle like that, and then slowly squeeze all the way out to the ends. Oopsie. Okay, and there we go. That's how quick and easy it is to make chip bags. Very simple. Alright, I'll do one more for you guys. So once again, you grab your template, you pop on your double-sided tape or your glue or whatever you want to use. Peel off your double-sided tape if that's what you're using. And let's use this side here. Okay. That's why I say using double-sided tape is not always the best option, but it is quite durable. Alright. Now, there we go. Whoopsie. Pull that off like that. Take my chips, pop that in the center, give it a squish, roll it over, roll it over, and roll it over. Make sure that it is in the middle. Now, this one's not wanting to play with me today. Try that again. Okay, there we go, that's a bit better. And there we go. Okay. Then we're going to squeeze the top part. Like that. And then squeeze the bottom part. Now these chips are starting, they're seeming to get a lot bigger because they are not, this one's just not wanting to play with me today. That's okay, we can make it work. Squish it down. And let's try that again. There we go. And the sides. Alright, now that one, unfortunately, it's always not a good idea when you haven't. That's okay. It's a good thing I'm doing this, then I can show you what you can do. There we go. That's a bit better. No, it's not. Oh well, that can go to my daughter. She can have that one. But yep, that's how you make. I'll show you a better one. There we go. Of course, because I'm going live, it's not working properly. All right, there we go. That's how you make your chip bag. So it's very quick and easy. So another few things you could do is also use a crimp tool, and you can crimp the edges to make it look a lot more realistic, because you notice that chip bags do have the lines across it. Or if you've got my chip bag template that I sell in my Etsy store, you can just add the little design that looks like little waves, which is like a little crimping design. The other thing you could do is fold this over and glue along here, and then fold that so you don't have such a wide tab at the top too. You could do that too. So there's plenty of ways of making chip bags, and that's just one of them that I wanted to show you guys. And this is my first time jumping on live, so let me know if you guys like these videos and these tutorials, because if you do, then I will definitely make some more for you on my Instagram account. Otherwise, join me in my Facebook group, which is DIY Kids Parties. I make a lot of videos in there too. Alrighty, but that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys' comments and what you think of it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good night. Take care, guys. Bye.